Now we will be focusing on the matrices. So what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. For this example, we will now find the area of this 4 by 2 matrix. So the first column we will use as the x, and the second column we will use as the y. Next, we will arrange the numbers so that they will be easier to solve. So total area is, we will now just arrange first 1 and 2, negative 4 and 3, negative 5, negative 6, 4, and negative 1. So in solving matrices, we will copy the first term, then we will now multiply it diagonally. With the arrows going down, it is positive. When the arrows are going up, it is negative. Now we will solve it because the formula of there is 1/2 times the multiplication of 1 and 3 plus, because they are both negatives, 4 and 6, plus 5 and 1, plus 8, minus 1/2, negative 10, negative 15, this is negative 8, negative 15, negative 24, and negative 1. Once we have solved it, once we have calculated it, the area will be 44 square units. And that's how you get the area of a matrix. For the last topic, we will now be focusing on the Laplace transform. So what is the Laplace transform? The Laplace transform is an integral transform named after its discoverer, Pierre-Simon Laplace. It takes a function of a real variable, t of n time, to a function of a complex variable, frequency. So we will now solve this example, which is f of t is equals to e raised to t sine squared t. So we will be using direct integration with this example. First, we will copy the e raised to t. Next, we will expand the sine squared t with the value of 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 2t. Next, we will be distributing e raised to t, which is 1/2 e raised to t minus 1/2 e raised to t cosine 2t. After that, we will be directly integrating each one. So we will copy 1/2, and the integral of e raised to t is unfortunately 1 over s minus 1. Next, we will also copy 1 over 2. Since this will be using transformation, we will put the s minus 1 on top, and the integral of cosine 2t is s minus 1 squared plus 4. This will be the answer for f of s is equals to 1/2 times 1 over s minus 1 minus 1/2 times s minus 1 over s minus 1 squared plus 4.